Hello, everyone. I'm Rosa. Today is a very exciting day because I'm traveling to New York for the first time. Come with me. Before every trip, I always check my travel essentials. My passport, my boarding pass, my wallet, and my phone. It's always better to check twice. Great. Everything is ready. Now it's time to leave home and begin my journey to New York. I'm so excited. I need a taxi to the airport. I'll use a ride-sharing app. It's fast, easy, and very convenient. Great, my taxi is here. Good morning. Could you take me to the airport, please?
Of course. Please put your luggage in the trunk.
Now we're on our way to the airport. I'm really excited because this is my first trip to New York. We've arrived at the airport. This airport is so big and busy. Let's go inside and check in for the flight. The departure board shows all the flights. First, I need to find my flight number and departure gate. Good morning. I'd like to check in for my flight to New York.
Good morning. May I see your passport and boarding pass, please? Please place your suitcase on the scale.
Certainly. Here you go.
Everything is ready. Here is your boarding pass. Your gate is A12. Have a wonderful flight.
Thank you very much. Now I need to go through the security check. Before I enter, I'll keep my passport and boarding pass ready. Good morning. Please place your bag, phone, and laptop in the tray. Of course. Now I'll walk through the security scanner. It's quick and easy. Everything looks good. Now I'll collect my backpack, laptop, and phone before heading to my gate. My boarding pass says Gate A12. Let's follow the signs and find it. I found Gate A12. Now I'll wait here until it's time to board the airplane.
Attention passengers. Flight 245 to New York is now boarding at Gate A12.
That's my flight. Let's go.
Good afternoon. May I see your boarding pass, please?
Certainly. Here you are. Now I'm walking through the boarding bridge. In just a few minutes, I'll be on the airplane. Wow, the airplane looks amazing. Now I need to find my seat. My seat number is 18A. Let's see. Here it is. This window seat is perfect.
Hello. Is anyone sitting here?
No, please, have a seat.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome aboard. Please place your carry-on luggage in the overhead bin and fasten your seatbelt.
Certainly. Everything is ready. I'm wearing my seatbelt, and we're about to take off. I can't wait to see New York. Here we go. The airplane is taking off. Look at that amazing view. Excuse me, would you like something to drink? Yes, please. I'd like a cup of coffee. Certainly. The view from up here is incredible. The clouds look so beautiful.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'll be landing in New York in about 10 minutes. Please fasten your seatbelts.
We're almost there. We made it. Welcome to New York. I'm so happy to be here.
Good evening. What's the purpose of your visit?
I'm here for vacation and sightseeing.
Enjoy your stay.
Now I'm at the baggage claim area. I need to collect my suitcase before I leave the airport. I'm ready to explore New York. Let's take a yellow taxi to Times Square. Wow, this is Times Square. It's even more beautiful than I imagined. There are so many bright lights and people everywhere. I hope you enjoyed traveling with me and learned some useful English today. In the next episode, we'll explore New York together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Goodbye.